Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're making a Stromboli. Now you can make this in the oven if you want, but since we're a barbecue channel, we're gonna put it in the pellet smoker. Stick around, it's gonna be fantastic. So here's our ingredients for today, guys. Now this is Buckeye Backyard Barbecue, not fine dining experience. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Pillsbury pizza crust, get some mozzarella cheese, some sandwich-sized pepperoni, some ham, some salami, and an egg for an egg wash. Whoa, don't forget the pizza sauce. Instructions in, throw them away. Okay guys, so I went ahead and rolled out the dough a little bit, and as you can see I got a little tear there, and I tried to do a little patch. I'm a barbecue guy, not a baker. So we're just gonna deal with it, not a big deal. We're gonna have some sauce down here, spread it out. You don't wanna get too close to the edges because you do have to seal this bad boy up. Go ahead and put our pepperoni down. The salami. And we got some ham. It's not prosciutto, it's what I would have liked, but it's not what we ended up with. So we just got some regular old ham from the store. Some nice mozzarella. I sound like a dork when you say it like that. Now, for the hard part, the roll it. Alright guys, so I put a little olive oil down because I didn't have any flour. It would have been a lot easier if I had flour. We're just going to roll it like a burrito. Get any tears or anything like that, no big deal. Just patch them up. A little bit of egg wash on it. And a little bit of kosher salt. All right, guys, we're outside. We're at the Pellet Grill. We're at the Z Grill here. We got it up to 375, and we're gonna go ahead and stick this bad boy on. I don't have a pizza stone. Screwed up. I'm sorry. So we're just gonna use a regular cookie sheet, and we're gonna pray. All right. To be honest, I usually do it in the oven, but I thought, hey, let's try it on the Pellet Grill. So that's what we're doing. Stick around. Find out if I'm an idiot or if I kind of know what I'm doing. I'm probably an idiot. Let's put it on. Alright guys, cross your fingers, pray to God, do whatever you gotta do. See how that works. Bring you back in 15 minutes-ish. Alright guys, so it's actually been on for 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy off. I think it worked pretty good. Guys, it looks like I may have known what I was doing. But ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. Let's cut it open. It's definitely hot. Oh, but it looks so good. This is gonna be awesome, guys. Let's cut it up, get a taste. Favorite part of the video, guys. Eating. It's a little messy, but it's super good. Thanks for watching, sticking around. Try this, guys. You'll love it.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!